Hi fellow crafters, I'm Terry and I am nuts about stamping. I'm in a playful mood today, and so I want to show you how to create a really cute card idea using the Latte Love Bundle. I hope you'll take my idea and run with it. Let's start off by having a quick peek at the Latte Love Bundle. I think it's so playful. I love the stamp set, but even more than that, I love the dies. There are two different coffee pots, there's little cups, there's like coffee that you can have sitting inside the coffee pot. It's just really playful set, and we're gonna have a lot of fun using it today. So let's get going. My card base is going to be basic white, and once again this week I have it as a portrait layout. And to that, I'm going to cover the front of my card base entirely using a leftover piece of the Good Times Designer Series paper, which is also still available in my online store. Now, the next thing I want to do is I want to die cut some of the coffee cups that are in the die pack. I love that Stampin' Up! Has figured out that if you want one coffee cup, you might want a second one. So rather than spend time rolling back and forth through your Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, they provided us with a couple of dies of exactly the same shape. So I have Misty Moonlight and Garden Green. I'm going to die cut 2 Misty Moonlight and 1 Garden Green. I'll be right back. Now here is one of the coffee cups that I die cut out. And as you can tell, the coffee cup is blue, but so is the inside. Well, clever Stampin' Up! Have provided another die that would be like the coffee inside the cup. So I'm going to die cut 3 of them and then adhere them to my coffee cups. I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. And there's what they look like. Pretty cool, huh? I just love this bundle. All right, now the next thing I want to do is create a phrase. So I have a scrap piece of basic white, and in the Latte Love stamp set, there's a phrase that says, "This one's on me." So I'm going to ink it up and stamp it down using Garden Green. And then I'm going to do a little bit of a cheat. It's not really a cheat, but it kind of is. I wanted a circle die that would just go around the phrase and be about the same size as my coffee cups. But I don't have a circle die that will do that. So I dug around in my old retired stash and I found this oval punch. And I thought, you know what? That would fit perfectly. And so this is my little cheat. Maybe you have an oval punch at home you can use, or an oval die. If not, try a circle die and it'll work out just fine. Now, let's do something with all of these elements. So what I want to do next is I want to attach my coffee cups and my phrase to this layer of basic white. But to add visual interest, I'm going to use some mini Stampin' Dimensionals. Isn't that cute? It's coming along so nicely. And I love the lift off the basic white. Now what I want to do is adhere the coffee cup layer to some Garden Green and then to a layer of Misty Moonlight. So I'll go ahead and do that using my multi-purpose liquid glue. Now what I want to do is adhere my coffee cup layer to my card base. And now it's time to talk embellishments. And I've decided on these earth tones shimmer gems. And there are these Garden Green ones, and I think that would make a nice complement to my card. And there we go. A very simple but super cute card idea that only takes minutes to create. I'm Terry. I am nuts about stamping. I'll see you at the next video. Bye for now.